has green grass, it has fertilizer, it has monocot, it has fiber root system.
Example ragi, wheat, dicot. Example green gram.
My name is Mohit Chandra. Difference between monocot and dicot. Monocot have one cotyledon. Dicot have two cotyledon. It has fibrous root system. It has tap root system. It has parallel venetion in leaves. It has net-like venation in leaves. Example ragi, wheat, paddy. Example green gram, peanut.